Are you tired of watching the same woodworking channels recommended by the algorithm? While the internet connects us globally in other ways, when it comes to woodworking, we're stuck in our own little digital islands. There are amazing creators all over the world using unique techniques and materials, and we're all missing out on them. So come with me as we're going on an expedition around the world of woodworking to find these hidden gems. My name is Jared. This is Vulgar Woodworks. So this video is part of an ongoing movement adopted by myself as well as a handful of other creators like Lee from Busted Knuckle, Mark from Start Making, David from Worst Workshop, and Joseph from 5 Duck Studios, which I will be linking all of their videos down in the description as well. But those videos were intended to champion channels that we feel are worthy of your views. Now, while YouTube continues to promote the American heavyweights of woodworking, I prefer to focus on the international side of the craft because despite what we Americans may think, it's not all about us. The world is full of incredible talent, and this video is dedicated to sharing some of the best international creators that I have recently come across. And for even more inspiration, an additional 15 international channels will be linked in the description that I recommended on our old podcast, The New Cranky Workshop. So, let's get right into it, and our first stop is actually going to take us to the land down under. You know, if you're looking for some real, raw inspiration, you absolutely have to check out Dino Builds. What makes this channel so special is Dino himself. He's a self-taught maker from rural Australia who consistently proves that you don't need a massive workshop or an endless budget to create incredible things. He's all about his personal journey, skill upgrades, and just making for the love of it, often going against what the algorithm might tell us creators should do. A perfect example is his passion project for building scrap metal dinosaurs, like his fantastic pterodactyl. It's truly a testament to his creative ingenuity, watching him challenge himself with metal sculpture, fabricating a kinetic skeleton, and even rigging a clever makeshift crane for the installation. It shows he's not afraid to push boundaries and tackle new mediums with confidence. He's a legend in the making, and we can all be legends together. So if you're ready to get inspired, go check out Dino Builds. If you're looking for a woodworking channel that is both incredibly impressive and a source of pure, quiet calm, you absolutely have to check out Montwood Woodworking Girl. What makes this channel so unique and honestly special is its serene nature. The creator, a skilled carpenter from the Chinese countryside, makes almost all of her videos without any dialogue. There's no voiceover, no talking to the camera, just the beautiful, rhythmic sounds of the craft itself. You'll hear the satisfying buzz of the saw, the methodical scrape of a hand plane, and the precise tap of a chisel. In a world full of content noise and over-the-top commentary, watching her work is a truly cathartic experience. It's a peaceful meditation on craftsmanship, allowing you to simply absorb the process without distraction. And the craftsmanship is on another level entirely. She creates bespoke, fine furniture using traditional Chinese techniques, and her skill is just breathtaking. She tackles everything from a massive 3-meter table to a stunning recreation of a Western Han Dynasty bronze lantern made out of wood. A piece that was so perfect, a museum actually acquired it. This is a testament to her dedication and immense talent. This channel is truly for anyone who appreciates the beauty of focused work and the art of fine woodworking. The next channel hails from the Netherlands, and I can't recommend D Creations Woodworking enough. Seriously. This is one of my absolute favorites, and I think it'll quickly become one of yours too. The main reason I'm so drawn to this channel is how the creator completely shatters the myth that you need this massive, fancy workshop to build beautiful, high-quality pieces. It's incredibly inspiring. You see him work in what looks like a fairly small space, but he consistently proves that with enough creativity, skill, and sheer determination, a limited environment is absolutely not a restrictive factor. He truly makes the most out of every square inch or square meter he has. Now, you'll notice that he uses some high-end tools in his shop, and that's part of his journey. But the reality is, the tools are just that, tools. The real magic of his work is in his incredible design sense and the perseverance he shows when tackling these challenging projects. He reminds you that it's the person behind the machine, not the machine itself, that makes something truly beautiful. I had to recommend at least one channel that uses the Shaper Origin as well. D Creation Woodworking is genuinely a channel for anyone who wants to create something awesome, no matter how much space they have. If you're ready for some serious woodworking inspiration, then you absolutely have to check out the criminally underrated and underviewed Country Wood Girl. What I truly adore about this channel is that it's run by a fully qualified woodworker who is genuinely living her dream of creating bespoke, fine furniture. She's a professional, and that comes through in every single video. You get a front row seat to see how she uses her tools for what they're actually intended for: work. In a world full of influencers who use high-end tools as status symbols, Country Wood Girl shows you what true dedication looks like. She's not afraid to get on the floor and sand a project by hand to get that perfect finish. It's a testament to her passion and grit, and it's a refreshing change from the channels where every task seems effortless. She's also doing something incredibly special by preserving history. She's painstakingly renovating a ruin of a barn and transforming it into her forever dream home. Her work completely disproves the myth that girls don't get their hands dirty. And as a father of a daughter, I hope my kiddo can grow up with half the talent and determination of Country Wood Girl. This is a channel that shows real, hands-on, passionate work, and it's a breath of fresh air. And finally, we end our trip around the world in good old Canada. If you're looking for a woodworking channel that you can really get in on the ground floor with, then you need to absolutely check out Blue North Woodworking. Now, full disclosure, this is a ground level recommendation because the channel only has a few long-form content videos right now. But that's exactly the beauty of it. The creator, James, is genuinely hilarious, and he's just really starting to hit his stride. He's openly sharing his journey, his woodworking insights, and his goal is to grow the channel. You can tell he loves to entertain and make people laugh, which makes watching his builds even more enjoyable. This is your chance to be a part of something from the very beginning. Your clicks, likes, and comments can make a huge difference, giving James the push he deserves to keep creating and building what's sure to be an amazing channel. Go and subscribe and help him on his way. So after seeing all of those channels, here is the part of the video where I implore you to click away and go and subscribe to every channel that I have recommended to you. But in fact, I'm not going to advocate that you do that. I would hope that, depending upon your perspective and your opinions of what I have shown you, that you'll at least give the channels a chance. Watch a video, watch another video, see if you like it. And if you do like it, then subscribe. Don't just click away from this video and give some other creator a sympathy subscribe, because that doesn't really help anybody. What all of us are looking for are active participants in our own respective communities. So I've recommended 5 channels, another 15 down in the description. Peruse them as you see fit, and if anything that I have recommended does strike your fancy, then subscribe. That is far more beneficial to us creators than just having a whole bunch of people that have subscribed and don't participate. So with that, I'm now finished. I appreciate you taking time to watch, and I'll see you in the next video.